welcome back to the garage. Just a quick video showing the unboxing of a new cordless polisher I've just got to try. It's the Sealey cordless polisher 18V orbital polisher. So yeah, let's get it open and have a look. Okay, so we've got instructions, whatever. Okay, we get a pad as well. So, wasn't expecting that. And it's probably the power battery. And there it is. Nothing else in the box. Nice. This is the 18V, 2100 to 5000 RPM, pad size 125mm. Let's shift that out of the way. Get rid of that. I've got a pad in a minute. So, this is my first battery normal size polisher. I've been detailing cars as a hobby for quite a long time. I don't do it as a business, but my usual go-to, which has been over the years, is the old trusty 9227 CB rotary, and it's a bit of a beast, gets the job done. I really do like rotaries. It's really heavy and quite old for what's out there these days, but still a very good item. So this is obviously a budget one. It's about £180 on Amazon. Feels quite nice for what it is. Obviously got the dual action, the free spinning, and the orbital. You'll see that in a minute. Got an Allen key in there. Probably for changing pads or whatever. Taking that off, giving it a clean, or on off switch, and speed controllable. It comes with one battery. A battery gauge on the back. Looks quite nice. So there's the unit with the battery fitted. It feels quite nice. Feels quite nicely weighted actually. That's not too bad. Yeah. Let's just see, we've got a bit of charge there. So on. Right, okay, so you turn it on and nothing happens until you put some speed into it. So when you turn it back on, it's obviously resetting the speed until you actually apply speed. So that's not a bad feature actually. Comes with an Allen key in there. I won't keep that in there, but must just be just to either, if you want to change the, it's a bit loose actually. If you want to change the pad eventually, or maybe you can get others, I'm not too sure. Probably get it a clean inside. So yeah, just screw that back on. So So yeah, it looks like you can unscrew these 2 screws here and take the head off for cleaning or whatever. It comes with a polishing pad. I might use that, or for testing work or anything, because I've got my preferred pad choice anyway. And it's a tiny bit smaller than the actual backing plate. Usually I do like to have a bit of a pad going over there just for a bit of protection. Yeah, basic charger, there we go. And interestingly, I've actually got a Sealey impact wrench, and the battery is different to this one. So you can interchange batteries. You might just want to get yourself another battery, but if you do actually have Makita stuff, and I have a Makita drill, the batteries are the same as this one. So I think you could probably use these batteries. I'll get that the right way around. Yeah. So that's handy. Actually, I've got a couple of these, so I've got 3 batteries potentially for this if I need to. Yeah, looks good so far. As I was saying, for main tasks I've always used the rotary, but for smaller jobs, for spot areas, smaller panels, just kind of light work, I did invest in one of these. And Flex is really good make, quality stuff, and this little PXC80 for those little 1 inch to 3.5 inch pads. Oh, this is a game changer. If you haven't got one of these, you've got to get one of these. Yeah, just to show a few different pads. Got one of the 3M polishing pads there. Okay, I haven't centered it properly, but that's not too bad. One of the old Maguire's cutting pads. Still love these pads. So I'll do another video soon of me trying this out, and looking forward to that. So stay tuned for that. Peace out.